Welcome to the Samana Opening Your Third Eye meditation invites you to sit all I do with your spine straight and set the intention before we begin that this meditation will open your third eye. Like never before, opening up your psychic gifts. Now allow your gaze to soften on the ground in front of you. Your eyelids feel heavy and now allow them to gently close down. Now draw your attention to the breath. With each breath out, imagine yourself sinking lower in and out. Feel yourself melting down in and out, lower and lower in and out and out. Your muscles are letting go of all tension, all the stress or worries of the day has melting down into the earth. You have nothing to do, nowhere to be but right here, right now. We're going to check if there's any tension in the body and imagine it dissolving behind your eyes, your jaw, your shoulders melting down and softening. Your whole body is so relaxed, so calm, so heavy. Now you're ready to draw the attention back to the breath, and on your next breath in, you breathe in a tiny hybrid or golden light to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye. Now the next breath in, you breathe in more golden light. With each breath, breathe in more and more of this light to your third eye. If that is beginning to glow with this light, feeling overcome with divine love, continue to breathe in this light and your third eye glows brighter and brighter. It's now shining light out in front of you. You're breathing in so much light, so much love. In and out, you might feel warmth or buzzing sensation in your third eye. If that sensation intensify with each breath, this golden light is building up more and more. Your third eye holds so much power, so much like that it's about to burst open in 3. Feel that buzzing sensation to this light emanating out your third eye. In 1, your whole body is filled with light and peace, knowing you can now be guided by a third eye. How does it feel now? You can always come back and do this practice whenever you might feel a blockage in your third eye. Now gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Try to imagine where you were when you started this meditation with your eyes shut. Now wriggle the fingers and toes and let the eyes gently blink open. You can sit here in this place of rest for as long as you need. Namaste.